Now that our rice is reducing, we're going to start in on our chicken because we're going to simmer that at a low temperature. But first we're going to mark our chicken. So we will turn our front burner up to 8, and in our saute or frying pan, we're going to heat up a tablespoon of oil. Now we're going to be cutting other items, so we don't want to cross-contaminate, so I'm not even going to put this on the cutting board. I'm going to leave it on the plate, but I'm put on plastic gloves, and I'm going to lightly dust the chicken with first pepper, then salt, and repeat on the other side. And then I'm going to cut this chicken into chunks. Making sure the knife cuts through all of the fat. I'm going to try and make the chunks all as even as I can so that it'll cook evenly. I'm going to move the chicken here into the oil. And we're going to saute this. Now we're going to reserve this plate because once the chicken is marked, we'll take it off. But to ensure that we don't contaminate any other surface, we're going to take the end of our glove here from the wrist and bring it into a ball. Grab that ball here and then repeat, and now we haven't contaminated another surface with a raw chicken.